Then I will introduce the movement of the food visceral. The first is about the introduction of the 5 visceral and 6 organs. Okay, the 5 visceral are the heart, the lung, spleen, liver, and kidney. According to the 5 lines, we can see that the heart is belong to the fire, and it is the main blood vessel and the zone of the pulse and we know that it is the main blood vessel and the main mind. The heart opens to the tongue, and the body combines the parts and is flower in the face, and the mind is happy. The liquid is very perspiration, and heart are the inside and outside. And then the lungs is belong to the gold. We know that it is the master of qi, and its physiological functions are the respiration and the dispersal and descending. And then is the spleen. It belongs to the soil and is the main movement of your body. Its main functions are the main movement and the main ascending, and to master the blood, to open the mouth to the body, and to form the body in fresh. And then the liver. The liver is belong to the wood. It was very strange and discharged. So it's the main blood is stored, and the key to open the eyes to the eye. And finally is the kidney. The kidney is belong to water. So it's the essence of the accumulations. So the main functions are the growth and the reproduction of the main body, and it master the water, and the main body is the bone. The bone body is very non-marrow. And then we can see the 6 organs. The first is gallbladder. It is mainly storing an X-ray bile, and then the stomach often receive and decompose water and valley, and the stomach is reduced to the harmony. And the third is that the small intestine. It is the main body, and the chemical substance and secreting the clear and the turbidity, and it is called that the main fluid of the flower, the lower abdomen. Okay, the first is the large intestine. It is the spread of the drawers. And the 5 is the bladder. Its main function is that the storing urine and urination, depending on the kidney's function of vaporization. So the final is the triple jiao, and it is the flow of qi, the total qi and the gasification for the operation of the role of water. And then we will analyze the role of food in the operation of the 5 organs and organs. Okay, the first is the rhizomal polygon. Its main function is that the nourish in and moisten lung, replenish spleen, and replenish qi. Okay, it also nourish the kidney and fuel essence. And then the lithium barbarin also the release the liver and kidney, while it also replenish the deficiency and nourishing the essence, clear heart and clear the eyesight. The pork liver also has the effect of nourishing liver, improving the eyesight and nourishing blood. According to the Yellow Emperor's Interclassical, the human energy qi mainly contains from the 5 grains. So it connects the 5 organs, and the food is connected and transported through these 5 organs. Okay, how to regulate the 5 organs. We know that the diet and the regimen of traditional Chinese medicine in our country is concerned with 5 colors into the 5 down organs. The 5 colors refer to green, red, yellow, white, and black, with the matching of 5 states: liver, heart, spleen, lung, and kidney. The human body in the organic whole with the internal and external unity. It can adjust to humans' appearance and body through the 5 colors and body harmony and 5 states. The first is the red food. The red food nourishes the heart. Red food includes the carrot, red pepper, tomato, watermelon, strawberry, and so on. And according to the 5 elements theory of Chinese medicine, the red is fire and yang, so the red food can enter the heart and blood after entering the body. And then the yellow food restores the spirit. Yellow is a substitute of soil. Therefore, after the yellow food is taken, the nutrients and the materials are mainly concentrated in the mid-ocean area. The basic yellow food, such as the corn, peanuts, soya beans, potatoes, and so on, can provide excellent egg rate, fight, vitamins, and microbiome. The third is a green food. Green food is mainly nourishing the liver. We know the Chinese medicine believe that the green food, including the blue and purple, into the liver. Eating the more green food has the effect of soothing the liver and strengthening the liver. So it is a food and every human body. And then the white food for lung. The white food in 5 rows is belong to the guard into the lung and focused on qi. According to the scientific analysis, most white foods such as milk, rice, flour, and fishes are related rich in protein. And finally is the black food. The black food nourishing kidney. Black food is natural animal and with the black or purple and dark brown color. In the 5 row, the black men belong to the water. Therefore, it is often beneficial to nourish kidney by eating black food. The study found the black rice, black sesame, black bean, black civet can have the high nutritional and health value. So we can see that the 5 color and the 5 flavor correspond to different visceral of the human body. According to the needs of body, corresponding the supplements are necessary. Reasonable adjusting of diet can also achieve the goal of disease prevention, fitness, disease elimination, and longevity.